Areas BIN 910 and on the
Just won't
iHeartRadio
stop.
app.
It's like constantly do this, do that.
Bank of America Corporation
Damn,
is proud to
dude.
be a
I've
founding
been running
partner
around for the
that
last
shares and
month.
supports the mission of
This
the Black
stupid,
Information Network.
this job I have.
I'm Weston Tashome with the story of another black
Ridiculous.
builder. Horace King
Making
was
me
born in
run
slavery
around
in
like
South
crazy.
Carolina on September 8, 1807. And even though it was illegal to teach slaves, he
Dude.
learned how to read, write,
Like,
and
I'm
build at a very
tired.
young age.
I haven't
In his early
been able
20s,
to
King would
relax
be
because
sold
it's
to
making
John
me do this,
Goodwin, a
making me do
contractor
that.
familiar with
Every
King's
5
unique skill
seconds,
set.
like,
It is
dude,
believed that
come
King would
on.
later study at Oberlin College, the first college in Ohio to admit African Americans. The pair would build houses in Alabama, which eventually led to a contract for the Columbus City Bridge, the first of many to be built by King. Allowed to keep a portion of his earnings, King would purchase his freedom.
No. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's what I'm... Yeah. Yeah, let me... It's not gonna fit. You just don't... Keeps forcing it. Likes to force things when it doesn't work. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. I can't keep going closer. Hey, he's so dumb. He keeps like forcing things to work, but they don't work. They don't work. You can't force it. Damn. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty tight, but yikes.
It works.
Yeah, no, yeah, I know it's the.
Stay there.
Yeah, no, yeah, I know the little wood over here too. It's what's. Nah, I don't need that cable. What the heck? Okay, I guess this is what I need for now. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Oh yeah, no, I'm using. Oh, and with the parking brake on, I don't get that. There we go. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Suicidal thoughts.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I should. Yeah. I think it's on the wood on this side.